Action.
Someone needs to wake me up.
I'll do it. You just got it on film.
Wake up. Hey! Oh my god! Today on KBKB RSTQ RSPLM news station. Today it is going to be sunny. I need my sunglasses today. It's too sunny. And then it's going to be hot. I need a glass of water. Glass of water. Glass of water. Oh, much better. And then it's going to be cold. I need my blanket for this day. Oh boy. That is your weekly weather. Ow, my head. Goodbye, and thank you very much for watching RSTQ, and LPQ weather. Thank you. Again.